lady, what's up?
Nothing much.
Like when you look at come down the road, you know.
Thank you.
So you come from around this side?
Yeah, man. Around here, so I come from. You don't know me, you know, but me know you.
So where you know me from?
Me see in my man phone. When the whole around there party the flask. So me know you. You don't know me.
So which one of my friends them have such a nice man and me never know about it?
A Papa, man.
Papa?
Papa, yeah, my man.
Never know that Papa is such a nice woman. I know. I rate him, you know. But watch your mama, you're sexy, you know. I like how you look, you know. You see me right now. I not lie, I'm like trespass on all them property. I not play, you know, mama.
Oh, you one bright, sir? You're bright real bad. You imagine you and my man a friend. And you a look your friend, woman. You feel say me a close pin. Me look like a community bicycle to you. My youth, know yourself. I am a friendly person. But don't take me simple. Me no little idiot careless girl. You understand me? Yes, when you address me, you need to address me more better.
Yeah, me I say, babes. I don't take a for no simple person either. Because I really too want a simple woman either, you know. As I tell you, I like you. You see me? I mean, every business if you even want to go tell my friend Papa, you know. But here what I go on, you know. You see me? This is between me and you. You see me? I could joke me that make man when tired, see me kind of go on away, but here what? You never have a sister look like you. Because you know, me want another family there, you know.
My youth, let me tell you something. Me not have no sister.
I joke me that make man. When time me that say certain things, I just want your attention, you see me?
You better make sure it's a joke you make. A matter of fact, from you and Papa your friend, me your friend. Know yourself, man. I go down the road. They come more.
Yeah, me I say no. But I say no to him, you know.
Let's start again.
I jump off of your jump on shoulder.
Just man.
Go on now, man.
Double you go on. Double. Alright.
I'll tell you now, man.
You want me?
Hit the jackpot, boy.
Oh, dear, again.
I'll be more on purpose. I'll ring your family, you know.
Yeah, go on.
Alright.
You becoming a man now.
So you can up already.
I don't know how to do it.
So you can do, man.
Prank car in the street. Right, that's all. You can prank car. Send somebody to call her and tell her say you're cheap. Right, that's all. What about Akoti? A bad idea that. You don't know my woman yet. Telling me a woman here, so you know what night me sleep with all one of them here and woman of people.
No, she gonna know it's a prank her, daddy. Cause me do have a camera
Suppose
on
it's
her.
too late. You can give me a pat in my head.
You see, we have stuff over there, so. I don't know who Rasta, but you know. But the Rasta there, him go be the security. You see, if him go down one place, that means if Candy lift up a stone for lick you, him grab Candy and I would just say, alright, a prank Candy.
Alright. That's a good idea for sure. But you have to catch her.
Me there, man. Alright, so, brown man, go call Candy, right or now. Boy, where's your woman there again, daddy?
Up the road of a Jenny.
For Jenny. Alright, so you go up for Jenny, tell Candy say, call her one side, man, and tell her say, yo, Papa down here cheap. Woman all in a car and one bag of something. Right now. Knowing Candy or Candy stay in. By the man that reach up there knowing Candy, but we have forward. So you go there now. You turn upside that sheet with the ring. Set up there. Go right tree. Mama, go right tree. Go turn up. We're going to say you get no trouble, no fret. Alright, so you want to know security staff. That's that.
Yeah.
Your job is to ensure, say, anything Candy or swing with, you can hold Candy. No. Candy coming up. Go on now, man. Go on for the board. So,
where you move, sir?
last the time, man.
Surprise, man. Surprise. Look. Surprise, look. Tell us, say, man, love you. Yo, you're just too ignorant, man.
Please.
I do.
Yes! Yeah, man.
Woo!
Kara, go and go eat our food.
Man, a job.
Me jealous. I saw me one man propose to me too.
You have to just go and normal and relax, man. The man still come and you have to make sure say you do the right thing them so the man then come you can marry to you and engage to you. It's been a long time, Papa and you man.
I don't know if a load no come to play happy business come to chat. But
Yo.
play some load you.
But anyways, yeah, move to Portland, you know.
Go and go to Portland.
Yo, nothing going on sir.
So things are going to Portland.
You know, say Pinky up there and she have a lot of links.
Yo,
So-
if it just a pinky, you don't have something more because you know, say, when a woman.
You know I think.
We know the flesh come.
You know yeah, man, you know the flesh come down.
Yeah.
Man. When I ain't there, man, me call him and yeah, virgin come up there.
Listen, you sure says up this is one good place.
Right now, Portland are probably one of the safest place in Jamaica. Ask Google.
Somebody said that journey there, should I like it?
Yeah, man, should I love it, man. I've just take a virginity up there.
So you know I want. No man, she's a virgin again. So you know I go, she'll have a name.
She will like it up there, man. Up there is a nice place, and you will like it.
Hi.
Go and more.
You know, say Papa and me I look for? Because I know he always there up here, so.
You know, saying there but in gone. You look like I walk from 40. But me know you want something to drink.
Yeah, water.
You mean, come inside, man.
I want to get from, I want to turn Rasta boy. Let's go on the Portland side now.
There, man, you know, say, yo, the need to follow up as still in my father.
Yeah man, a good idea man. Cause from what day me now, things text me now on my phone. From what day, she begs up herself and say me now can't go now way. You know what I mean? So this is one good idea man. With I roll up them, I must see what I go on. We must get some money by tomorrow. So as soon as the money drop on my foot, if I have a night, because I know what time money, if the money come in at night, yo, just pick up in the town up there.
So, we virgin there.
Virgin there in the house there, you know. Virgin over here, I soon go in car still.
Yeah, man, heal her up for me too, man. Yo, why man them depend? Why man them depend? Just heal up the man them for me, no, my father.
Yo, not say a word, man. Yeah, man, me tell the word them, man. Money down.
Get your back. All the other. Come on, baby.
I said, I love you already, you know.
What you mean, baby?
Love you.
Alright,
Later.
Later. Can't believe it.
Alright, baby, later. Alright, baby, later.
Alright, baby, later.
No, me I say you have a nice woman, Papa.
What you mean, man? I love her.
Yeah, no, the room here kind of off limits. Nobody to the room here. My auntie room, that one here a free. Yeah, we can stay on this bed here, we go on that bed. I'm going to keep a take food ready yet.
Food there, man. Food so ready.
Never know she know.
When I'm ready, you can share, man.
Alright.
Yeah.
Food they look good. This one I see too, you know.
That's true.
Boy, Virgin, I will learn to cook them my food there.
My mother teach me, you know. I'm a big chef.
One brownie.
One.
Let's share some food.
I down the road, me there, I know see you cook, that's why I come up here.
Serious all the time mix up?
No, another time mix up. Me soon tell me I always see me just share some food. Pinky, me have big mix up to tell you.
Come tell me what go on.
I'm sit down and fix up myself when I tell you, because I have to tell you this thing, you know, a big thing. Then you know, say Shensia, I breed for Drake.
I lie, them in here say I can't tell Pitney. I that me here.
And where you get that story there from?
Off of social media, everything there on social media. How are you there?
I'm there back at time.
I'm off.
Oh, Pinky, come here.
Pinky, me I go on the road now, you know. If me hear about no more mix up, me tell you, you know.
Alright.
I hope you are cooking up because my gas done.
Yeah, man.
So Spice, so you go and if you plate on the table, you don't have no servant here. And what could have caused this? Some girl just chat too much, so. I'm good. Oh, gone. You're good? How are you there? I said, me there. Here, Pinky are going with beer things. Yeah, right now, me feel on you right now. Right now, I'm going in a room to fix up until you come. Alright.
Stop work a while ago. I'm going to be in that thing. There?
Yeah.
Can't wait. A bit more beer, and then we could go do things.
Can't wait, come well on, come here. Pinky around there, I want with beer things and something like that. We can't wait.
Alright, you want to come to the night shower?
Yeah, better we do it in a shower, come can't wait.
Alright.
Pinky, let me pick them and let's get filled.
that move so green. So let's get here.
Oh my love, Sofa.
Yeah, go on normal. See, I go on normal. Anyways, what are you not cooking in the evening?
I don't know, you know, because I know I cook, but me go shop.
I can get some rice or something, man.
Alright, here, get 3 pounds of rice and some chicken. I can go on normal.
Alright.
Alright, Miss Blossom. I'm going to pay your bill tomorrow when I come back here.
Okay.
What you say now? To them come up Pinky and come eat out and plate, they're going to tell me about wash your plate and Pinky never tell me that yet first. So tell me, what you have to say?
Wait, let me tell you this. I know Pinky cook. You understand? And me cook. So if you come there and me tell you to wash up your plate them, you wash them up.
Well, when me tell you this, a long time me know Pinky and Pinky never tell me come wash your plate.
Spice, me know in a whole bag of talking with you, you know, because I watch you from other day, you know, like me man you want, you know. And me don't want me if you catch up and me don't want me if you have nothing. Because me don't have time for you.
Who want your man?
Yes, you want me man, Spice.
Who is your man? Me don't want your man. You try going for me, I feel like in your face, yeah, girl.
You ready, bad girl, Spice?
One, because me don't want your man. Who is your man?
You get everything?
Yeah.
How you look so?
Me say, no you want Spice, give me a piece of cousin.
I want no.
Cause me too, me tell him say if you take up a plate, plate and carry in the kitchen.
That the same plate argument, them think gonna pass that.
And me if you tell you one piece of cousin, he cuss me and hungry me down there, but me know why no. I true cause he like me man. Cuss me bad.
You know I saw Spice there. Spice love mixed up, so you know I saw his there.
You need to talk to him. You know what? The best thing you tell him say, you know, to come back up here. Because when she come up here, all the things she want, I just want.
Alright, me talk to her. Are you a virgin? Me talk to her.
Okay. Which one is it?
We would have been in a room there, you know.
Alright, I'm going to room for lie down.
Alright, I go cook something to myself. Yeah.
Pinky.
Wait.
More you want a friend, you know, come me down the road and I tell me, say me eyes are man, and me not eyes are man. Me need you for one a friend.
Listen me, you know say me no business and no argument, no man argument, no need to live good. What kind of man argument you know I come up with now?
To me, it was I played today, and let's face she come like she want to style me.
Me agree with you still in about member and me cook, say she take up your plate and wash your plate, cause I know me cook.
Alright then, Pinky, you cook. Alright, just cook and listen my food for me soon circle.
Alright then, Spice.
What's the second shop? Oh man.
Mr. Big Things.
Like a fine man know your last one.
No, sir.
Oh?
We are good.
Do you feel uncomfortable?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go on the road.
Spice, give me a piece of cussing down on the road there.
Okay, I'm come out about you and say go in the shop.
Yeah.
So I'm going to suffer.
No true, me tell him to take up a plate and put in a sink. So, hope I cuss him, I cuss me.
Look, I mean, when I come out a while ago, them say go in the shop, is it?
Yeah, me did go shop to buy chicken and rice and pinky cook.
Wow. Anyway, when I'm done, I got some stew pieces. I come in and saw them cook and I don't really eat. You know what I mean?
Oh, a stew piece of feel for?
Yeah, with some dumpling and yam and banana and something like
Okay.
So no time for that still. So anyway, what's a pass for saying so you know remember the jar out so much, you know what I mean? So I think them if you want to let him play today, you know, give a damn about it, you know, just take up your zone and watch your own, you know what I mean? If I saw them do it, I saw them do it, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah man. So we'll stay away from trouble. You know what I mean? Yeah man, I'm there. Up on the road for a morning. So when they call me there, I just walk me there much time, you know, because when we pass some place, we have still don't look at us, you know what I mean? The man says that. But when they call me, I have to lift it. So tomorrow I have to jump down there and maybe match off and look up side set speed. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. It's almost done, man. I want to look at you know?
Okay.
So, you know, I go to survival.
Yeah.
You forgot river, you know?
When?
Same for river over there, man. Same for river over there. Yeah, man, I'll go out there tomorrow. You know what I mean?
Okay.
I feel say last time I got everybody feel some mineral, you know, the water them natural up here, you know.
Oh.
And I like when there's certain place still, you know, the water refreshing and nature, you know. Yeah man, I think somebody at the hot water you want to have out of the rock to drink and feed. Because a long time I had put in beer work and I see no fruits of beer, you know what I mean?
Oh, true. A long time. I want to get pregnant still.
So. But we'll find out that big on the place then, man. Because I saw some all them places there up here. You know, drink some of the water there. You know, maybe just run through your system or anything wet.
Maybe I missed still more for sure.
But that's mineral. There's not a mineral in nature, you know what I mean? So, you don't know Mother Earth, you know what I mean? But I think you're good. So you're good though?
Yeah man, I'm good. You good?
Yeah man, you know, so if you live from down and come up, so you know, so you kind of change the environment, you notice you kind of sad, kind of see all your friends and you do for a couple of days. Not yourself, man. Just picture yourself on a little vacation. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So everything good though.
Yeah, man.
I'm looking at the eye, I'm not saying we're looking at a better place. You know what I mean?
That's true.
Oh, this will be. So, Mama, how you rush so fast, man?
Why, you know, some other want to spend some time with you. God knows I'd like to spend more time with you, but I can't do it because Papa you wait for me up the road. You see, the last time when I come down here, I did enjoy myself.
Yeah, I'm still think about it. Yeah, I feel how your body feel and everything.
You see, the next time when I come down here, I'm going to spend 2 weeks with you. But for now, I have to go back up to Papa. I'm a wait for me. I'm not the one thing know, so I come nowhere down here. So I don't know where I'm gone.
Ready, Alton? Yo, Tan, man, I want to Jay. I really are going there, so.
They are going easy yourself, you know, so what are you doing?
Here now. We come back and check it tomorrow for you something here.
Yeah, that.
Alright.
We'll check up tomorrow, yeah?
Alright, yeah, man.
Take care of yourself, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. So I'm going to do.
How are you going there, so? Papa, you have a friend, no, brother?
What? Easy, no, man. You don't have to say nothing, man. Body not have to know nothing, man. When you see that, so, stay there, so. Yeah, man.
Business, but people business still, no, brother. You understand? But I see you not going with, you know, big people, you must know what I do. All of your friends, me, your papa, but me not business with you. You understand?
Thing now, man. But all me has to tell you, know, China say nothing to Papa and make nothing slip out. Or even Jay now if you make him know what go on. You see me?
So yo, it's a one link in Congo still so make we play a dominant scene, but not even to a tar still, I mean, I cut work here.
Yeah man, we link up to come one man. I swear the thing come one.
Alright.
Come here, I want to talk to you.
Where's you going on?
Me know you know what go on between me and your friend, you know. But more you keep your mouth. Me help you out if you help me out.
So hold on, what you really mean by you help me out and me help you out? What you really mean? Explain yourself.
Me know some man stay, you know. They love chat. Always a chat. Love carry news to man about their woman. You understand? But you look like you don't say so still. And I hope you don't stay so. Hope me I guess right. You understand? Are you a friend, you know? Yeah man, so yes about that.
Me no business with people business, you know. You understand? Me can add on that too. We tell us I don't have no mouth.
Me can work, you know. Cause you say you no mouth. Me can do something for you, you know. Me have some big body cousin. Some of them here long, them pretty. Some white, some brown. Big body girl, you know, some white liver girl. You know what I mean? Me can show you them.
Yeah man, me like that one, yeah man, me like that one. Yeah.
That's when me done talk to that one, yeah. Everything sort out. You don't have nothing to worry about. Yeah man, it's straight. You understand? So
Alright,
everything good.
Alright, mama. I say a word. Anything you say, you know? Look more.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah man.
Where you pack clothes, baby?
I'm going to look for my auntie.
I'm going to apply to cook some food for me.
I don't want no food, man, because it kind of get late and she wait for me.
How long are you stay for?
Just 3 days. Or maybe I stay 2. But I can watch when I put in my bag stuff.
So, who I carry?
My taxi, I'm going to take. Who fi carry me? You have vehicle?
No, baby.
You ever buy any vehicle yet?
Soon, it's in the making.
Hurry up and buy, because I tell you to take taxi.
Alright, B.
Love you.
So when me I get the money?
On the weekend I get some money.
100,000 and no big money, no, you take too long, man. Right time say now, no woman that old that.
You want money? Yeah. That's the money cheese, so you have to do what me tell you.
James!
Just a baby and do us so baby.
I'm filming the door. And I was going to knock in that mirror.
Like a ring door.
Look nice.
You go and spend money too.
Look nice. What just go so? What just go so? I do just go so?
You don't worry yourself about the door, man. I come spirit in
I'm
now.
looking at the show.
Sit down beside my babe. Go and chill. Well, just a big down the door, so.
So why you take so long to open the door?
Well, me don't want to request something, man. They just pop up on me, so. Like you want to catch me half guard.
That's why I never call you before I come.
What if the money and boy spend on the ring, you know?
See? Look nice,
What if the money and spend on the ring, you know? So me, I burn a man doing. You have to know that.
I don't say you me love and not him, but you see through me and him the long time. I don't want this thing, I know can spend all the money for me and he take care of me, you know. You know, so I tell him what I do. I tell and the idiot believe me, you know.
You know, kind of pill again now.
I tell him, say I go down with my auntie go stay for about 3 to 2 days.
put on some different clothes and come over there. So they will suspect who I am or what I do, alright?
Alright. Jimmy! Jimmy!
Yeah.
Come here, Dave.
I'm forward. Yeah, BMs.
Listen me, Jamie, you know, say me not like how you do the business what day, you know. You never do the business right what day. I'm a client, them a complain about what happened. I don't know what you do when you go for the people what day. I don't know what you do, but something never right and them say the organs them damage. So you need to fix things because them are gonna come today. And you see the two people when they here right now, you need to make sure so everything goes smooth with them because we are lose.
You know, say, because by the time I run them down, when I run them in the kitchen, one of them sleep, and one of them kind of kick me, some of them knock off it, stab me in the belly. So that's why when I organs, they mess up.
See, you know, see a business we do, we are losing and do them things they know. Them things they can't happen.
Alright, me try to be more careful next time, but I'm just look on the pattern, so we talk about this sometime to finish here.
Alright.
You go for the time to fuck up, you know. You can't tell them to reality, no man. Right to the forward door, the good door.
Yeah, man, it's good.
Boy, you shouldn't go to that place now. Yeah, man. We have something for the west side. Get some car for you, something. Everything not finalized yet though, but we don't know where we're going still. But we are bridging for a long time now. No respect, man. You see it? It's alright. You see it, so. Yeah, man, I like how the deal, you know, the treat you good, you know what I mean? You feel welcome, you know what I mean?
Like, you have to take your boss.
You're right.
If you come west side, you go the same treatment. You know what I mean?
Ladies, gentlemen, thank you.
Come on.
I think the place in that busy board I don't know the man. I don't know the matter. So, but anything the matter after them place, you know what I mean? Just focus on me, you know? My time, everything going to work, I could play with it. So, yeah, man, we'll feel like we're not going to something.
So, them know food for rumors?
You know, me tell them I want my auntie room, so it's actually off limit. But I really tell them how far.
Alright. Based on what I see so far, them look good, understand? And I want them to bear in mind the last transaction. This one need to go smooth.
Me would want that either, cause you know, I me a lose. So me would want that. So me I make sure everything goes smooth.
So based on what I see them look healthy, but I still have to talk to them, find out. What go on, hopefully I can get somebody come for them later.
Yeah,
understand? So nothing at all you want to make me clear point from now?
No, I don't think I have nothing because me tell my worker Jamie say him to make sure everything goes smooth because him deal with them type of things too.
So Jamie, everything good?
Yeah, man, everything normal, man. That won't happen again, man. I just want little mishaps, man. But everything normal.
Alright, so as I say, everything look good based on my message, so we'll just have to talk to them and hopefully we can get somebody come to pick up later. Alright? Alright.
Remember when done, sir?
Yeah.
A long time ago, this again.
Rasta, what I go on with? You know, say, I'm pick up sitting in my mother room, so I pass and I'm not even here, you understand, so I quick move. So bless up your eyes, eh?
Yeah, man, you have some money there all the time, man.
Bless up Empress here, man.
Yeah, man.
Bunny down the road.
You know, so me done cook.
Yeah. You know, so I'm there hungry because I burn all the bush clip from my boy across the road and right now it's a tear up my belly. I'm going to eat some of my food right now. Yes, dear. Love you, my dear.
Yeah, I tell us that. Someone you not start one. Why me I tell you? What man boss?
Yo, where the point?
Someone you not sit down man. And you know say my woman on there from when and the man just ducky gambling.
Yeah, I true from when me not see him, but guess what? Me not see Alton and Fire either.
Then they have Portland man.
Go look at Starman him down there.
One time man.
You're from Mr. Popeye. There, Popeye.
Oh yeah, shout out my name so much time so.
Popeye, you know, some day I go and eat coffee and what them never to feel good. Me just there lie down still. You know.
Same thing me just I tell him, you know. My wife not there, you know. That's why we come check you. Because I best sign off for me, the gamble right you know.
Starman, you smell food in there, you cook.
That's true, you know.
I mean, you say he's a man always a cook, you know.
Yo, you know, so some food me carry a fire roast in a Popeye. And they warm it up, you know. So me never have no food around there, you know.
Which you go look? Come down no time and stay ready.
Yo, Candy, you are going. You know everything I want. So I know exactly if you do and how to get rid of them. Myself.
I want to make your woman go away on the weekend go in the country.
Love my woman, man. So I got a few pot.
Why, Jaja? You know what I'm saying? Me go on there and rat me amount the whole life food, brother.
That time, man. No look good. How I eat food in here?
The best thing me think, you know, after we cut finance, you know, because we can't do one place to be rat there. Better we cut. Come on.
Come on, we are greeting, but we can't eat no rat food right now. We don't want dead.
Yo, the amount of money when me spend and buy poison if you kill them right there. Like me I forget one of them thugs that street because shot them. Alright, no talk, man. Poison after all of them right there, them and them thugs that really come shot them. That was a close one and you catch me off guard. So I food I go.
Me eat it and I did hungry.
Yeah, babe, if you eat the food I'm sending from church and me hungry.
Sorry man, but you and your friend them turn up
I can make me eat this summer. Me have to turn up and talk with them kind of come catch me off guard. Babe, don't touch the plate, you eat already.
Yo, why we wait them up and tell them say no?
Yo, you know, say I go down today, but you are going now. I get a piece of money, so I carry them around to show any place, because I can't do this. I'm there for so long, I'm not going to show any place.
And when I go down, that man go the reason, I'm so going to tell no one.
Alright.
We'll get up and know anyway, take it.
So, I got the outers up on the front, so when I finish talk.
Yeah, what talk and make up another.
Alright.
Yeah, when I say a while ago, do we have things to deal with? What do you think about the coffee and me alone? What do you think?
Yeah, man, we can go.
Alright, so. What do you think further, right?
Yeah, man, we can take it to
I'm going tomorrow.
I'm going tomorrow.
Alright, so do then.
Alright, then.
Alright.
No, so they say they want to couple of mine.
Make up what kind of mind. Pass the knife on the pot, give me. Listen, me man, you know your friend them in a but them have to stay one way or the other.
We go there now, we go company journey. We can go down tomorrow, man. Or maybe next day, for that.
Oh, you know, it's like some breakfast or something on the board.
Yeah, man.
Is that good?
Yeah, man. We can go to man.
Sure, they're good?
Yeah.
Alright.
What get ready now?
Yeah. Yeah. So, we're not going to cook breakfast.
You want egg?
No, I eat egg.
You plan?
Yeah.
We'll fry some plan.
Why not plan on there? We don't go on the road, man. Come on now.
Yeah.
The man fry you want egg?
I don't eat egg.
Alright. So, probably when I go on the road.
Fry some plan.
No plan on there, no plan on there. When I go on the road.
Alright.
Come get ready now. You can get there, man. phone dead still. When I put on charge my phone, when I call my cousin, because I was up and I party there, we could have put tonight and go tonight instead of going to morning. Because we come back early enough for us, 8 o'clock every night. You know what I'm saying? So, we'll get ready to go away. But you know, yo, today was a blast. You know?
Alright, yeah, man.
I'm not enjoying myself today and bag of things and bag of things up and raft, you know. So, we don't open it first. Don't want to blow that one there. Sharp. Oh. But get ready, come here.
How are we going to do this? You can't let them go, we're not going to lose the money.
Call boss.
Boss, you know people are saying they're leave tonight. Alright, yeah man, they're going to do the right thing.
So when you boat that drive over the deep lagoon, you never afraid?
No.
Why you not afraid?
I'm not really afraid because I can't swim, but I can't swim that good.
So you can dive?
Yes.
You can hold a bit for long?
Yes.
So it's part that you can't swim good. No, them thing that or you can't stroke and so.
Yes.
You're easily tired.
Yes.
So like I said now, you don't want sex quickly.
Yeah, you want to have sex.
You can't love it more than me.
I'll do 6 4 good. Tomorrow, before the pan charge could be. Soon as the charge could be, I call my cousin. So we have enough time.
Yeah.
Through them there in the night, you know, we go take it outside.
Yeah.
We go up and enough next tree. You know what she
Yeah.
So late.
Yeah, me a forward then. What's the matter? We're not cooking at night, huh? We're not cooking.
I want to feel next one in our room too. Virgin.
Yeah?
Come here then, come here.
May I come? May I put some clothes in that bag here and come?
Call the boss in the morning and walk on it. Someone has tell me no emergency call. I never see this yet on this phone.
Sure, I don't know.
Come like that now. Boss, you know, so we have 2 of them in there. So we have to go wait till the morning. Go and get this over with you. Alright then, never put it on the ice.
Thinking, I want to them. I want this.
I'm not everything alright, man. I know where you're sitting. Can't wait.
So when I did, what you do that when I boss?
Now when you look all dead to it, we have to go bring her and go chop shop.
She do every make cut her.
Pinky! 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 Pinky!
Spice! Spice!
Pinky! Pinky!
Come, Spice! Come in. Come fast. You know the Pinky out there? Yeah, what we are playing one and Pinky play one game. You know, who can free. We tie them up and then tie it back. So, go for one night, come out of this. Watch the game. Fast, do it fast, do it fast. For them come. Fast.
Yeah, fast.
We want to win the game, we want to win the game. Run.
God. Why, thanks, Pinky, you saved me life.
Yeah, man, yeah. You must know, go on home. Right now, the game, if they see you, you're going to lose. And the money, we'll get money tomorrow. Go on,
Run.
No, let's see. Come on, not to care about. Come on.
Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life. For the voice, you know, to the voice of Ferris. You know what I mean? Blessed day. You know what I mean? I guess them say today is independent. But me not get into that though. But I don't know, so we independent. But me don't know about the dent yet. You know what I mean? So we not go to the solo. We are talking about the membership on the channel still, which are Brown Films, you know. So big up to all the members them, and we have something planned especially for the members them, you know what I mean? So because we used to do cash, what do you call it? Cash talk?
Cash app.
No, not cash app. What we talk? Super chat?
Super chat, oh, no,
Yeah,
super chat.
we used to do super chat, but we realized the super chat, some people just company and chat, you know what I mean? And talk like that. But some people do contribute to super chat. But it kind of, the begging thing, some of the time, it just get drawn out. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man, but because how often you can beg?
How often you can beg, and how long will people get tired of you? So I like the opportunity how them give you a partner where you can actually have some special people who pay a monthly fee, you know what I mean? So we can provide some content for that purpose. So that part of it thing would be like a producer then. Because money will come from that now can actually do film for it, you know what I mean? So don't worry yourself, members, because as long as things start generate from it now, we will have like a special budget for it. So for the money coming from it, we can easily do special project we send to the members them.
Yeah, but
you know what I mean?
we need at least around 5,000 members to make it solid.
Yeah, we need some more members now, you know what I mean, to kind of turn it up. And my people, don't feel no way discouraged or nothing, man. Everybody go get content, you know what I mean? So for now, we just in our moment of putting some work. We have like 5 movies at all time. We have like 5 movies I work on one time. You know what I mean? And it's just how we do things. And that's how it go flow. You know what I mean? So if you're not in a regular posting, I choose some things that go on in a regular. And Jamaica is not a regular place. So it gives you some stress and some hurdles sometimes. And everything good for eat, good for talk. You know what I mean? So, but what they are still a wallet have still. So now, this movie you just watched a while ago, produced by Jules, you know what I mean? We do part of it in Portland and we do part of it in Westmoreland, Negril. You know what I mean? It's a good story, but there's part to come for it, you know what I mean? Because it's something we keep you thinking, you know what I mean? So open enjoy it, you know what I mean? Leave in the comments, and who not subscribe, please do subscribe, you know what I mean? Because it's very important. We're trying to reach somewhere, you know what I mean, from nowhere. So thanks to everybody who subscribe. And all who subscribe are part of the family, you know what I mean? So I hope you understand when we talk about membership, you don't feel like nobody's being left out. It's just, we are trying see if that way. Because enough people in Jamaica don't really have it, really, so then we go be a member. And then we can't have access to Jamaica and we take it still. So it's just a way where we think so we can get to do more things because the membership still go do that still. Because membership money go, even to make off a membership, you go spend back overall still. You can get better wardrobe, you can get better things to do. So it's a plus. So if you have a family America or anywhere party available for member, encourage them to go and be a member and pay a monthly fee so that can help move the thing forward. Because the monthly fee is not expensive. You know what I mean? Jamaicans could pay it if they were Jamaican have access to it. Yeah, so it's not really expensive, but it's a little bit to trickle in. So it would be good if we can get more members so we can keep it forward. You know what I mean? The producing aspect of it is very important. Because this movie is produced by Jules, and over time she'll get back her money and some on it. You know what I mean? And she believe in it because she do the first one. You know what I mean? She one of the first producers, she and Antoinette. You know what I mean? Antoinette do The Right Girl and Jules do Spare the Rod. You know what I mean? So I know she do this one now, Off Guard. You know what I mean? So enough time you do things and people get you off guard, you know. So watch ya. Yeah man, it's a Jamaican vibration, a Jamaican vibes, you know what I mean? So big up to all the people that are watching. So you can become a producer. Producer is easy because you don't have to have a story. All you need is the money to be a producer. A producer is not complicated. A producer has say, and a producer is an investment, is an investor. Can go invest in a one project and him go have shares in it. So it's not only about YouTube platform alone. It's about, at the end of the day, if it is the next platform out of the world, the same thing can go. It's content, and content is key. So being a producer is very good, you know what I mean? Because you start from somewhere. So if you have your own story, same way. No matter what the story be, you can just tell me story just by a voice note, and we can write the movie around it and then tell you what the movie is going to be like, and then you can agree and disagree and we fix it and work together. So it's a togetherness when you become a producer, because you're going to own like 50% of the movie, I'm going to own 50. Your company is going to own 50.
And
so,
the other good thing about being producing a movie comparing to producing other things is that you can do movies going to live forever.
Yeah man, yeah, and true that, movies forever. And there will be different platforms. Because when I did my first movie, whenever they are say, alright, we go put it on YouTube, that will show you how it thing go. But now it's on YouTube. So picture that. You maybe do movie now and there's a next platform that come up in the future, and just if actually have the movie there, you can make a bam and dash it on it and you can make a living and fight again. So it's a win-win situation. You know what I mean? You know, not for lose really. And the next thing you can spice it up if you want to spice it up, because you can do promotion anywhere there in the world. If you're in Europe, you do a production, you can advertise it across Europe, make everybody know, say, yo, that's what I know. You know what I mean? And not only that, we have a company that contact us that they want to do, what you call it now, the writing, what you call it?
Subtitle.
Subtitle. So we have people who can do subtitle too, so we'll start put a bag of things into the budget so everybody can enjoy themselves. So it's always a joy talking to my people out in the world. Bless myself, you know what I mean, as we're here on August 6th. Them say it's a holiday, but that's who says so. But we're there, what it have still. Burn it down to the ground.
So you don't know, Fires said most of what need to say. But before I go any further is that I want to big up all the persons who are producing movies with us. I want to big up overall settings. Their movie has not dropped as yet, but it's still in the editing process. Good soup. So big up overall settings. You can head over on them platform on YouTube and go and follow them. Alright, big up Reggae Vibes Radio also. They are producing a movie with us with Turbulence. The one that's still in the process of finishing up already. We do 95% of the filming, but it's still in the editing process. Alright, big up Antoinette. Yeah man, big up Antoinette, big up yourself wherever you are. She is one of the persons who support us being a producer and also a champion us on, because she believes in the vision and where we want to go. Big up Jules also. She's not even a Jamaican, but she believes in the product and she believes in what we're doing. She has never met us, but she sees the vision of where we want to go, and she has supported us by not only producing a movie, but otherwise also she's spreading the word, telling people about what we're doing, because she believes in the vision of what we have in store. So big up yourself, Jules. Big up yourself. We really appreciate everything that you have been doing for us so far. Big up Damien. He's one of our first official person who really believe in what you do and say, yo, see a thing and push forward in our other. So big up yourself. We haven't heard from you for a while, but nonetheless, big up yourself. Alright, so the movie that we shot in Portland, you see that nice little house there, you see? It was courtesy of Dwight Lingard. He owned the property. So if you're coming from abroad and you want a nice little Airbnb in Portland, you can reach out to him, Dwight Lingard, and you can get the place. Very nice place. You will see it in the film that I don't want a regular place. Nice place. As before I said, the membership is very important for the vision to move forward in regards to how we're going to mobilize things, because these movies that we do, it really costs money, and it's not like when it costs money we make back it overnight on YouTube. It's a process and it will take a little time to make back all our invest, but it's a vision nonetheless, and it is something that is moving forward. So thank you to everybody that believe in what we are doing, and we are going strong. The countdown is on to 100,000. We need 3 more thousand subscribers to reach 90. So make sure you share up the content and tell a friend to subscribe. When we reach at 100,000 subscribers, we are going to get that plaque, and that for us is a milestone within itself. So we want to say thank you to all of the actors, the actresses, everybody that make everything that we do possible. Thank you very much. This is a shirt that I have on. I don't know if you guys can see the name, Bully Astro Records. Make sure you head over on Instagram and follow them. They have been with us from we are at 10,000 subscribers, and they believe in what we're doing, and that is the reason why they are supporting what we do. Those shirts that you see my Richard Brown Films, it is courtesy of them, and also these Bully shirts are courtesy of them. I want to say thank you guys. We really appreciate what you have been doing for us. Here's what I promise, I'm going to provide some Richard Brown shirts for the official members, the ones that are paying their monthly subscription, but we haven't got all the names as yet and the mailing address for everybody. So that is part of the reason why we haven't sent out all the shirts, or we haven't sent out any as yet. We're still in the process of making sure we get all of the names and get everything packaged together and send them off. So thank you guys. We really appreciate everything that you have been doing for us. And I mean, even though we not come on the platform anymore and say, yo, help, beg, we're not above asking for donation and asking for help. But as a fire, so sometimes it gets tiresome to continuously ask. But not erase everything else. But if you guys will still want to support what we do financially, reach out on Instagram, Richard Brown Films. Follow me on Instagram and make sure you just DM me and say, yo, I want to contribute to the thing. A lot of people have been messaging us for different reasons. Some want to act and otherwise. But I mean, at the end of the day, we can't use everybody. You know, the thing is set already, we have to just narrow it down and say these are the persons that we can use and we're going to use. But big up on yourself, continue to show support. And before I go, if there are persons out there that has a nice subscriber account on Instagram or YouTube and have a nice presence there, DM me, man, and we can talk of how we can collab and make things possible. So big up on yourself, continue to show the support. Big up to Face Expressions over in St. Thomas. We did a collab the other day with them. The movie not finished as yet, but big up on yourself, continue to show love and support. Big up yourself, Prolong HD. Another youth, you do film thing over there, so nice movies. Yeah, man, so go and go follow him, man, and show him some love. See him up on YouTube. You understand? Because it always going to take strength and always going to take more people than just Richard Brown Films or Jamie Wood, where the movie is going to take other content creators who are the movie to make the industry grow. So continue to show support. Make sure it's on a link with up, man, because we want to make the thing keep active. When you guys DM us and show up and say, yo, we like what I do, continue to do it. Show support. So big up on yourself. We have a brand new movie I come to. We're not about to talk too much about it. It's named Bad Friday. That movie there is going to be something special. So on a lookout for it. Big up on yourself, continue to show support. Remember to follow the BTS channel, follow Akin Lawrence channel, Paradise Nation. All of those channels are connected in some way or form, because at some point they might show some of the BTS, they might show some of the daily activities. And big up our friend them, we fly down from England the other day, come look for we. Tats and Franco. Franco or Frankai? Franco? Yeah, man, Tats and Franco. Big up yourself and big up the rest of the family. To appreciate the fact that you guys take the time out on a busy schedule for left all the way from England.
So instead of music video today, we're going to show the behind the scenes for the night.
Oh yes.
Man.
We have the behind the scenes that when Tats and Franco can look through it. So we're cutting a piece side. So for you, instead of music video at the end, we're going to show you some behind the scenes from when Tats and Franco can look through it. As I say, God know, when me personally, because everybody are going to have their own feelings towards certain things and their own views towards certain things. But for me personally, when me sitting at the house and me look out at the door and me see all these people of different race, not just some black people but some white people, come just to come visit because them like what we do. I tell us that there was such a special feeling when I come across me and said, Jaja, and really this is what we do all the way in our little community in a Negril. People fly all the way from England just to come look at what we do and show love and support. Make me feel good. So big up on yourself, continue to show love and support now what we do, and catch you in the next movie because we're working on something. Movie. Big up on yourself.
Yeah. Yeah man, you don't know, Bush Cash here, you see me? So you see all of my subscribers, all of my friends them on YouTube, Instagram, I want to tune in on Richard Brown things, you see me? I want to tune in on Jammy Wood thing. All the artists them, everybody at town, you know Bush Cash. You know, I want to tune in on Richard Brown channel, watch the movie them, you know, make the thing global, because I guess so, look out, we have new ideas, new things. They are with them same way, and watch no face, the thing are going to come out bigger and better. You see me I say, but big them up, them I do a great thing, big up everybody all over the world who support this thing. Ages where I come through with the movie thing from stage 1 and then reach us. So big up Jammy Wood, Bunny Dung, big up everybody, every actor, everyone, Papa, everybody. I can't call everybody name. Big up Janice. Janice, you want to come see a thing?
Good production, you know what I mean? The worldwide thing we are doing. Just subscribe and go to the channel, movie channel, you know what I mean? Just look out for Richard Brown, best film. Janice speaking to the world. Just subscribe, go on the channel, do good, do your best. Just look towards Richard Brown to the greatness and forward towards better energy, better idea, more, you know what I mean, great energy. So give thanks and go to the channel, forward, yeah? Blessed love.
Yeah, we've got like pound.
Yeah, no problem. Just count out 100,000, put it on the board.
Just put it up. Right.
Yeah, wait. Put on the first 100,000.
Yeah, I can't show this.
Yeah.
You don't want to set it right, just set it, you don't want to set it right, someone. Like that.
Get up slow, man. Ready.
Yeah man, so who want to talk and introduce themselves and say where you guys are from?
Already?
So you come with the thing quick?
Yeah man, I say
alright, the Universal Aldinari Francis, or that was Franco. When we went to England, between my wife and myself, and my friend, and the rest of the whole family crew, sons, nephew, uncles, and everybody, the whole crew. New York, man, about this Omari. Straight. I'm not this thing, them. They are normal with normal boss, see him with normal boss, so that's so. Rather normal with him. Yeah, England, Watchers, man, Mr. Thompson.
Don't know.
Richard Brown representing. Bye Fire Us. I don't know anything though. So they are normal, see how we Soji over there, so my cousin Soji.
Alright, so some of you guys coming from Clarendon, right? Or everybody?
Clarendon.
No, we know, but we are saying if everybody coming from foreign or some actually live at Clarendon.
No, I mean, that's free. England.
Oh,
no, and this one.
Okay.
That's very good. It's a brother. What you live? Left out of England. See, I've been up in England, I left out of England. Yeah, let's drop in for England as well.
Alright.
It's lot of people.
Alright, mama. So you go in here.
There you go.
Alright.
Thank you.
Alright.
Enough.
Alright.
Yeah.
Better.
No, something up. No. Yeah. But they don't play Java. They want to
We're playing a game. We're not joke with it. It's a big boys club, you know?
Alright, now my boss.
So what am I going with? Yankee Yardy style.
Jaja.
Yardy Yankee boy.
Are you down?
One take.
No matter when it. Long time to outside. There's nothing to think about outside. Let me say. Something you believe in a tech comeback or you have to go forward? Forward. I thought you yours. No, I can't do anything. I can't do anything.
You're nervous, sir? You're nervous?
No, man, I'm being a king of this world.
Oh, you're nervous.
Being a king of this world.
Yeah, boy.
Boy, let's get me this one. Kill. You can beat this one. Sure. Omar, you can play. You can teach the one.
No. You can't read like this. I'm going to kill me. I think I think this is good.
Yo, come on down there, man. Come on. Hey, don't stop.
But then don't stop playing.
Alton just start playing too.
Hey, and here's that in the center.
I wonder how you don't see it.
Here's.
I wonder how you don't see that.
So you come down. Nah, man. Nah,
Too much money. Let's get the money around. We gotta shake him with a little drink.
Where's that to take a shake you over? Shake you up, man. That's that. There you go.
You pay for learn, man. You can't regret it.
I tell you.
Yeah, drumming hood, you know. One done.
We are now my boss.
And the only done is king down.
Push our tool, give my drop all and something. You understand?
Yeah, damn it, man, they want 60 man with them.
No worry about that. Dino! Come here. The food thing, right on?
Right on? 550.
Huh?
550 or what?
Let me ask the people.
Yeah? Hang on.
When?
Baby girl. Baby girl. Look at still looking at the back of. You're too little. Baby girl. Look at her looking right at the camera. She's used to it.
Camera.
Yeah.
Boom!
Give me the magnum. Give me the magnum. If I get that lid off. Who's that?
Let me see what this man wants. Sorry. Yes, sir.
Where's it gone? So she's took your drink. She's took your drink.
Weird shot. That is a weird fucking shot, you. Vima one there. That come to me. That is a weird shot, brother. Run away. Oh, that is a weird shot.
Play for this, man.
Yeah, man. Right. Five back.
I'll send you the
4 months. Himself 4 months.
Alex, you're the cake.
No, I got it. No, read it.
Oh, I feel like I think I'm Omar.
Read it. Oh, yes, dear. Read it here. What was saying?
Jaja.
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 All right. So tell us your experience here in Jamiewood.
Nice. Even though it's raining,
still nice.
But the whole of Jamiewood, Richard Brown Films, Paradise Nation, Jutta Rhymes, everybody's welcomed us and let us stay in that house. We've took over the house. Domino's playing, drafts is playing, drinking rum, drinking Magnum. We're nice.
Yeah, man. Everything normal.
Nice. Yeah.
What about you?
I'm too shy for this, I told you.
She's too shy, and they're from England.
But I'm having a very lovely time, so thank you for having us.
Right, and it's a pleasure. You know, we're a family here in Jamiewood. You know, then they are with Alton, and I know so that's why I think come now, isn't it?
We travelled far.
Yeah. Everything. Yeah, man. Everything. You can pick up, you know? Repeat it and sound exactly like how
and if they make certain sound out of your mouth more time, yeah, then they follow. That's how they do it, you know?
Hi, girl.
Hi, girl.
Is this your sister?
No, just a friend from England. We're all over the place.
So welcome to Jamiewood. Richard Brown Films, Paradise Nation Entertainment.
Oh God. Jesus, could have warned me.
Richard, you can't show the camera. Come on, bless up. Smaller brother in the family. Come on.
It's a journey, you know? American there too.
New York.
So Irish movie.
Holiday too. Holiday in Jamaica.
Right, so everybody there for holiday in Jamaica. Everybody there for holiday are going now, man.